Have you always wanted to share your thoughts with the world? Do you have a passion you are eager to share? Starting a blog is a great way to connect with others and talk about things you love. Even better, if you put in the work, you can even earn money from your blog. Blogging in 2024 is easier than ever before. You can share your ideas, stories, and expertise with a global audience. There are many reasons to start a blog. Maybe you want to help people by sharing your knowledge. Maybe you want to build a community around your interests. Or maybe you want to earn extra income on the side. Whatever your reason, blogging can be a rewarding experience. This guide will show you how to start and monetize your own blog. We'll cover everything from choosing a niche to making money from your content. It's easier than you think, and we'll break it down step by step. Let's begin. Are you ready? Let's dive in and get started. The first step is to choose what you want to write about. This is called your blog's niche. It's best to choose something you are passionate about. This will make writing your blog more enjoyable. Think about your interests and what you are knowledgeable about. What do you like to talk about with your friends? Once you have a niche, you need to choose a name for your blog. This is important because it will be your blog's online address. Try to choose a name that is catchy and easy to remember. It's also a good idea to check if the name is available as a domain name. Next, you need to choose a hosting provider. A hosting provider is a company that stores your blog's files and makes them accessible on the internet. We recommend Bluehost because they offer a free domain name for the first year and a discount for new users. Plus, they make it super easy to install WordPress, which is what we'll use to create our blog. Now comes the fun part, designing your blog. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. You can choose a pre-made template called a theme. There are thousands of free themes available, or you can pay for a premium theme with more features. Make sure your theme looks good and is easy to navigate. Congratulations, you've set up your blog. Now let's fill it with amazing content. Content is king when it comes to blogging. To attract readers, you need to create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. Start by writing about what you know and love. Be yourself and let your personality shine through in your writing. Remember that people are looking for information online. Think about the questions your target audience might have. Can you provide helpful answers or solutions? The more valuable your content is, the more likely people will be to read it and share it with others. Consistency is key when it comes to blogging. Try to publish new content on a regular schedule, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even more often. This will keep your readers coming back for more. Promote your blog on social media. Share your blog posts on your personal profiles and engage with your followers. Remember, building a successful blog takes time and effort. Don't expect to become a blogging superstar overnight. Just focus on creating great content, engaging with your readers, and being patient. Once you've built up some traffic to your blog, you can start thinking about ways to monetize it. There are several different ways to make money from your blog, but some of the most popular methods include affiliate marketing, selling products or services, and using advertising networks. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with other businesses and promoting their products or services on your blog. You can earn a commission on any sales that you generate through your unique affiliate links. You can find affiliate programs to join related to your blog's niche. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell your own products or services, such as ebooks, online courses, or consulting services. This can be a great way to generate significant income from your blog while sharing your knowledge with others. Another way to monetize your blog is through advertising networks. These networks connect advertisers with website owners who want to display ads on their sites. You can sign up for an account with an advertising network like Google AdSense and start displaying ads on your blog. Monetizing your blog can be a great way to earn extra income or even create a full-time income from your passion. However, it's important to remember that your primary focus should always be on providing valuable content to your readers. By putting your readers first, you'll be well on your way to building a successful and profitable blog